Oh, it's winter time in Thailand. Ah, look at that, nice. Nice, fresh, froggy morning. I'm going to actually get some work started on this thing today. I just thought I'd show you a bit of the frog. Oh, it's about 14 degrees, I think. Meanwhile, the 3-minute lowering session turned into an all-day session with some sticky back plastic. Oh God, I'm so tired. So yeah, this is what we got now. It'll do until I can get some proper wrapping film and wrap the thing properly. It must be cold out there because the cats are still inside. They've not been out to kill anything yet. Right, later on.